Head coach Aaron Russell and the Bucknell Bison won their fourth straight conference game after coming back from 14 points down to beat Holy Cross 62-59. We pick up the action midway through the first half as Crusader forward Amy Lepley knocks down this three from the right wing to give Holy Cross the lead back at 20-18. Then in the final seconds of the first half, Bree Malone catches an inbound and scores at the buzzer to put the Crusaders up 6 points at intermission. As the second half got underway, Holy Cross got hot from the field. Alex Smith hits this three for a 5-point lead, and she finished with a game-high 17 points. Smith then made things happen with her passing as she drew a double team to find Lepley for an open baseline jumper to put the Crusaders up 12. They led by as many as 14 at 56-42. But the Bison responded with maybe their best run of the season. Fima Bada made it an 8-0 run with this layup to cut the deficit to 6 at 56-50. On the next possession, Audrey Dotson hits this jumper from the free throw line to make it a 10-0 run and bring it to 56-52. It was Dotson who had the goods again for Bucknell. This jumper tied the game at 56, capping off a 14-0 run for Bucknell. Alex Smith then gave the lead back to Holy Cross with a three from the left wing with just under 2 minutes to go at 59-56, but it would not last long. On the other end, Catherine Harris tied the game with a three of her own. Harris finished the game with an important 8 points and 2 3-point baskets. Bucknell's D proved huge in the final minute of the game. Fima Bada altered the shot of Raquel Scott and was then fouled after securing the rebound. She would hit both free throws to put Bucknell up 61-59. Then, after Lindsay Horbituk added another free throw, Holy Cross had one more chance, but Bree Malone's three was off the mark and Bucknell improved to 4-1 in Patriot League play with a thrilling 62-59 victory.